Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Ariani, also known as Uptone Beauty, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm actually going to bring you guys to my esthetician. She's the one that touches my face, that do my face. It is long due for me to get a facial, so I'm going to take you through the whole experience because I really like her and I've been going with her for like over 2 years now. Now I want to mention, one second Michael, I want to mention something to you guys, and I don't know if you see like one second Michael, I don't know if you guys see like red dots on my skin, but that's because I've been taking MSM powder. I'm really upping my hair growth game this year. Like I'm really taking it, you know, more serious. I'm being more consistent with it. So like the MSM crystals, they're making me break out because it's supposed to take out all the kind of wait, what do you call this? Not minerals, but metals, like any metal, any excess things, you know, in there that are not supposed to be there. It does that. So I'm really kind of just breaking out right now. So yeah, let's see what she will recommend, because I definitely wanted to get micro needling, but I'm not sure if that's going to be possible, but I'll let you guys know.